Hey there, it's Bobby Legs, and welcome to another episode of Bobby Legs Loves Watches, and welcome to an unboxing episode. Now, this is a very special unboxing. I know I say that a lot. I know I do. But this is a very special one. My buddy Joe sent this in for me to review, and ever since he picked up this watch, at first, I was like, I didn't know how I felt about it when I first saw it. It's bananas. But the more and more I see it, the more and more I love this watch. And I'm so glad he has trusted me with sending this over because it is a very special watch. So let me try to cut this open here without making too much of a noise and rattling the sound. Oh, but here, okay, the watch outlet, okay. Now let me open this up and make sure that there's nothing in here that gives out any personal information. Here we go. Oh, I'm so excited about this. Yes. Okay, here we go. Now, if you've seen the title, you know what watch this is. This is the Louis Erard. I'm saying that right. Louis Erard Alain Silberstein Regulator. Wow. Look at this thing. I mean, it is so wild. 40 millimeter case diameter. It runs on the ETA 7901, and Louis Erard has done some modularization to it, or some work on it, I think. But look at that thing. Holy mackerel. Wow. and Joe has some crazy taste. I'm going to include Joe's Instagram account here. You got to follow him. He's got some great watches, very eclectic taste, and he sets up his shots really, really well. But look at this thing. Oh, let's wind this up. I think, what is it up? Let's see here. I don't know too much about it. There we go. Oh yeah. So that's how you change the time there. And you can see that big, long minute hand. The hour hand is a triangle, red triangle. And the seconds hand, oh, it's going already. It's going already. That is awesome. Ugh. This is such a cool watch. Power reserve, small seconds, hour register up here, minute register in the middle. Just absolutely wild. Look how thin that is. This is incredible. Now, he said the strap may be small on my wrist. So let me put it on. Yeah, it's a little small, but I can get it. Oh, look at that thing. It's so crazy. Oh man, what a treat, man. I really enjoy having watches sent in for me to take a look at, and more often than not, I am super blown away what people send to me and trust me with. And this watch is exquisite, and I think it was listed for like 2,900 Swiss francs. It sold out, this variant and the black dial variant, but in the aftermarket, in the pre-owned market now, prices are soaring. So this is such a special watch, man, and I'm glad I'm going to be able to spend some time with it, and I'm glad I'm going to be able to do a review for you guys because I'm sure this is something that you don't see every day. Certainly not me. Anyway, guys, thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you in the next episode.